I'm Makinzee, and this is Zach, and we are doing the Westport Elevation B.
I just like how structured it is. There's been a roadmap from the very beginning, and so it's just really streamlining the whole process.
They give you a binder, and it lays out everything, who to call for your water, and like the stuff that stresses me out that I don't know who to call, they give that to you, and like you said, maps it out, and it's very structured.
It's been a lot more personable, I feel like, than other places that we talk to.
It's been fun and easy, and they make you feel more like family, and they help you along the way. When I've been clueless, they stay calm and help me through the process, so I say do it.
Yeah, it's been very helpful. We're first-time home builders, so we were kind of overwhelmed at first, but they definitely made it a very easy process.